So today we'll be comparing Keurig K-Slim single serve K-Cup pot coffee maker versus Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee machine. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing capacity Cuisinart is better, brew types Cuisinart is better, and brew strength control Cuisinart is better. Espresso capability Cuisinart is better. Water reservoir Cuisinart is better, milk frozen Cuisinart is better, programmable features Cuisinart is better, cup size compatibility Cuisinart is better, pot compatibility Cuisinart is better, ease of cleaning is Thai, brew speed K-Slim is better, auto shut off Cuisinart is better, noise level K-Slim is better, price K-Slim is better, special features Cuisinart is better, dimensions K-Slim is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee machine. The link to buy it is in the video description.